Hey, this is Beyond the Cut. We got a very special video for you today. We're going to be doing a mower comparison between the Hustler Super SF and a Ferris ZX3. The Hustler has a 40 horse Briggs, the Ferris has a 37, and it's got this suspension dealie on here. So it's going to be fun to see how this works. Very similar mowers price-wise. Operation-wise, we'll see. I've experimented a little bit with the Ferris, and I'm not sure. I think it's just sneaky good. So we'll do some comparisons. We're going to do some hill shots with the different mowers because we know I struggled with this one. I don't think that's going to be the case with this one. So we'll wait and see. We'll run them around, see what cuts better, and you guys be the judge. Some of the key differences, and the biggest one, is this frame is extremely rigid. Extremely rigid. You feel every single bump with this mower. It has an electric lift deck, and that is sweet. It gets old trying to lift something up to go over something. There's no real way to hold the deck once you've lifted it unless you go all the way up, where you can feather this to get right over what you want. Hopefully you do. You can nick it. Unfortunate, but it happens. The VX decks cut really good. Both have oil guard. I don't know, there's just not much. That's a good mower. But over here, this has a pivoting front axle. And I don't know how that works into it. It just works. This is such an easier mower to mow with. If you're gonna mow every single day, this machine wins hands down. It is so much comfortabler to operate for a long time. It is insane how much more relaxing or stress-free it is to operate this machine than that one. It's got a little shock on the back, which it doesn't do a whole lot, but I don't know. You'll be able to see in the camera, it is so much smoother, it is ridiculous. It's amazing how much more this thing is to operate for longer. It's so much more relaxing to work with than that. That thing's heavy. But the cut, I don't know. It's got like a sneaky good cut to where I can't really complain about it. So we'll see. I feel if you're gonna mow every single day, this is your machine, hands down. Hands down, such a nice machine to operate daily. It's a good unit. And I think we gotta get one. This pass here is with the Super SF. and I don't see a whole lot of difference in cut quality. The blades on the Z3X, I'm gonna say ZX3 a bunch more times because Z3X or ZX3, whatever. I'm gonna have problems with it. The blades on this unit has 56 hours. It's a demo unit. The blades are the stock blades, so they're in tough shape. I did sharpen them, but I'm changing blades at 50 hours, maybe sooner. This has brand new blades. I can't say that there's a real big difference in the Hustler Pass and the Ferris Pass. The striping with both mowers is just about identical. I gotta say it's a tie. Other than with the Ferris, I'm having a hard time figuring out where the edge of my deck is, but I have only ran it not very long, and I'm paying attention to so much other things. This mower, you sit so much more in it. I like the riding position. You're definitely, you feel like you're in the machine. Like it feels so much smaller than that. It is shorter, but it feels so much shorter, and you're so much, it feels good, very good. It's easier to go straight with this machine. That's very, very there. The hydraulics are so responsive that it actually might be, I don't want to say too responsive because I thought I really liked that, but this is just such a comfortable unit. I'm very surprised. Very surprised. After mowing with the two machines, this is a pretty nice unit. I would have a hard time picking probably any other mower. Not that I've driven a whole lot. I haven't had a Vertex. This is a really nice machine. Not that that one's bad, but I mean, it's for everyday mowing. I would really like to try the ZX2, Z2X, and see what the difference would be, because that one doesn't have the articulating front axle. I would like to try it, but this is a really, really enjoyable machine to operate. Not that that one's not. It's just this is a lot more of a relaxing working machine. That's still a good machine. But if I had a choice to do it over again, it would be this one 100%. that kind of ends up our little mower test here. This is a great machine. Another feature, that the one-handed controls of here, way better with, I mean, you get over here, I mean, this gap, these are jumpier. It's not as good. This, super great machine. Really thankful that Roger hooked me up over at Hubert's Power Sports in Thief River. I love the machine. It cuts so good. I mean, especially if you could see the blades that are on it, they're not good. They're shot. They're 56 hours. Those are super mega high lift blades. I just thought these blades were going to be junk. They're thin. They're a 2.5 inch blade. Not super high lift. And it cut just fine. It cut just fine. I would imagine the fuel efficiency on this mower would be quite a bit more than that. There's just less rotating velocity, and I guess if you don't need it, you're gonna have more power for other things. But great mower. Glad I got to use it. Hopefully I can get one day. If you guys liked the video, like, comment, subscribe. And you guys have a great day and take care.